welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Leslie, and today I am making another card using the quarterly release from Not Too Shabby, the Stars and Hydrangeas. So if you missed that unboxing, I will link it down below and up in the corner for you to check out that video. But I'm going to be using a little bit of everything again in the kit for the card today. Now, I'm using the blue glitter paper. We're using the stars pattern paper from the paper pack, and I'm just grabbing a square die from my stash. This is a 1 3/4 by 1 3/4, and we're going to make some diamonds with it. And then I'm going to use some ephemera pieces from the pack. I'm using this beautiful sailboat with all the fireworks, and then these candles that are inside these beautiful lanterns. I really liked that look, and I thought they went well together. We're also going to be pulling in some enamel dots and the Celebrate Today sentiment from the stamp set. I could totally talk today, guys. Of course, all this is linked down below if you're interested in the release. Make sure that you do not wait. Because this will go fast. So I am making 2 of those diamonds, and then I'm also going to go ahead and stamp my sentiment just in some royal blue ink. This is ink from Simon Says Stamp. They're positively saturated ink here. I just felt like it went well with the colors that I have going on. So I'm stamping Celebrate Today. And then I'm going to go ahead and fussy cut that out. Of course, like I said, if you haven't gotten the quarter release and you're interested, make sure you grab it. There are some pieces that are for individual sales. The stars and hydrangeas, the pattern paper, and the ephemera, I believe, are individual sales. But I know the stamp set you can only get if you get the whole bundle. So definitely check that out down below. So I did grab some red cardstock from my stash, and I cut it down to it was 4 by 5 1/4. I'm doing a A2 card, of course, so that's 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and I just cut down my background sheets down by 1/4 each. So I'm just using some adhesive here to get that down, and then I'm popping in a little piece of removable tape in the inside just to keep my card together. And then the blue glitter pattern paper is 5 by 3 3/4, just so there's a beautiful red border around it. I'm kind of using pops of red in this card. It's majority of it is blue, but there's a little bit of red in the seashells, stars maybe, I don't know, stars paper. There's at least one firework that's red, and then a couple stars that are red on the lanterns as well. They're real subtle, so that's why I'm bringing in the red cardstock border. Now my diamonds here, I am lining them up so they hit the edge of the cards. I kind of want it to go the entire expanse of the width here, and I'm making sure that my stars are actually going the right way, because they're you could probably do it different ways, but like for me, I feel like this paper is a little bit more directional, just because the stars are a little fatter or wider, and so then it's more directional in my brain. So I am going to bring in some foam tape for my ephemera here. And I'm just going to cut out probably about 3 strips. I want it not to bend a whole lot. I want it to be very sturdy because all the other pieces are going to be going on top of it. So this is, I want to say, like 2mm foam tape here. Just some bargain stuff that I got in bulk. I actually think I'm getting low on some of my foam tapes here, so I need to make another order soon. We're just going to put one on the bottom, one on top, and one in the middle, and that's going to be good to go. I'm going to remove the release tape here, and I'm going to struggle as I do it. I don't know if anybody else struggles with the release paper. I haven't gotten to the point where I'm like, I need a tool that does it, because I've seen tools that do it, and I think it's really neat, but I'm stubborn, and I'm going to continue to try to do it my way. But getting all that release paper off, I'm going to then line it up as perfectly in the middle as I can get, because that is going to be kind of my center focal point here. With the lanterns, I am going to put a little bit of foam tape just where the lanterns go off of my my landscape picture here. So it's just going to be in the lower left hand corner of those lanterns. And I'm going to use the same size foam tape for that, of course. And then I'm going to remove the release tape of that. We're going to glue on the other lanterns because they are going to be right on that middle piece there. And this is my second card using this grouping. Like I said before, the unboxing of my first card, I will link down below for that video. But I have barely begun to get into this kit. It just is just chock full of all kinds of different things. It's very patriotic. If you're really into like sending cards for like 4th of July or Memorial Day, see me struggle here. This is why you put a little bit of liquid glue on your foam tape so that if you don't line it up well, and you need to realign it, it could do that. But I also see this as being beautiful, just summer images. There's a lot of florals, so you could easily just change this into like an everyday thinking of you card. This could be a beautiful birthday card. I'm using the sentiment celebrate today because I don't know exactly who I want to send this to yet, but I figured that could be good for the 4th of July. It could be good for even graduation that's going on right now. It could be good for summer birthdays kind of thing. So I feel like the celebrate today sentiment is going to be my best bet. So I am cutting a little bit of foam tape just for that very right hand edge underneath the word today. It's more like O-day is where it's going on under, and using a little bit of liquid glue for the rest of it. Just so it's even when it goes off of that landscape image here. And I don't know about all of you, but our kids are all out of school now. My oldest made it through her first year of preschool, and I don't know how I feel about that because that means she's going into kindergarten full time next season. In the fall, and I don't know how I feel about that. So, drop me all the advice for how to get, over that and not just bawl like when I drop her off, y'all. Let me know, what are your guys' summer plans going on? I have a feeling we're going to be doing a lot of like the zoo and the museum. We have a couple season passes for that. And we've only been out of school for a week and we've all been sick at home. And so I'm already stir crazy. So I have a feeling that I'm not going to do well this summer with staying at home. We're going to need to get outside. We're going to need to be doing things. So let me know what you all are doing and give me ideas. All right, so just a little bit of embellishment there with the enamel dots, the red ones, and that is the end of my card. That's my finished card here. I love how it came out. So much sparkle. I'm a big fan of the sparkle, so if you like this card, go ahead and hit that like button. If you're new here, please hit subscribe, hit that bell so you don't miss any videos by me, and definitely check out the other video if you missed that one out as well. So here's a couple more videos for you to watch if you're interested. Otherwise, I will see you in a new one soon. Bye!